Hello everyone, I'm Deepthi Srivastava and you're watching my YouTube channel. In this series of 5 reasons why I love Chennai, I have already shared the first 4 reasons. That is people, food, opportunities and standard of living. If you haven't watched them, I will leave a link for them on the top here. In this video, I will share the 5th reason why I love Chennai. That is the location of Chennai. When I got selected for a job in Chennai, I was very happy. Then few questions popped up in my mind. Will I have any good places around to go on a quick weekend trip? Are there any good places around to plan the 3-4 day stress buster trip? Once I reached here, I came to know about the amazing places here. In this video, I will share my top 5 places around Chennai that can be your perfect weekend getaway. First, Tirupati, which is 135 kilometers from Chennai. It is one of the most important places to visit near Chennai. Tirupati is located around 133 kilometers away from the city. It is situated in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh. Tirupati is home to Tirumala or Venkateshwara temple, which is one of the most famous and most religious centers in India. Additionally, it is also one of the oldest Indian cities having its name in the ancient Vedas and Puranas. Second, Pondicherry, which is 161 kilometers from Chennai. A love child of the French and Indian cultures, Pondicherry or Puducherry is a beachside union territory located in Tamil Nadu. Previously, under 1954, Pondicherry was French settlement. Now, the old bougainvillea draped French-style houses, churches, and even the newly built French-style shops, bright-colored cafes and restaurants give Pondicherry an exotic character to it. This French capital of India will definitely make you feel like you are someplace out of India when you visit places like the Rock Beach, Pondicherry Beach, Serenity Beach or the Botanical Gardens. And the best place to see Pondicherry with the same notion is to visit Auroville and Sri Aurobindo Ashram, where people from all over the world come to seek spirituality through yoga and meditation. Third, Ooty, which is 547 kilometers from Chennai. Ooty, once the summer capital of Madras Presidency under the British, can be safely regarded as India's Switzerland. John Sullivan, the then collector of Coimbatore, had noted the same in his elaborate report on the region way back in the 19th century. After independence, Ooty was developed into a major tourist destination and understandably so given its qualification for the same, owing to nature's abundant blessings in terms of climate, scenic splendor, local sights and sounds, its wealth for birds and beasts and of course its homegrown beverages of tea and coffee. Fourth, Mahabalipuram, which is 52 kilometers from Chennai. Mahabalipuram is a small town situated in the southeastern part of Tamil Nadu, stretching between the Bay of Bengal and the Great Salt Lake. It is a renowned representative city of our rich culture and heritage. It is mainly a seaport which lies 58 kilometers away from the capital city Chennai. Mahabalipuram is a place that is famous for its temples and monuments, especially the very famous Shore Temple. It consists of 3 temples built in one single complex that was constructed way back in the 8th century. Another famous temple is the Pancharathas. Fifth, Kanchipuram, which is 72 kilometers from Chennai. Kanchipuram, also known as the Golden City of Temples, is one of the most important Hindu pilgrimage sites in the entire world. It is the crowning jewel of Tamil Nadu that offers a perfect respite to the spiritual souls with its beautiful temples that are known for their architectural splendor. It is known to be the second holiest city after Varanasi, and thousands of visitors flock into the city to seek solace and spiritual bliss. It has been an important center for Tamil learning and exhibits the glorious Dravidian heritage. These are my top 5 places to visit around Chennai. These are completely from my perspective. You can mention your favorite places around Chennai in the comments below. That's it for the 5 reasons why I love Chennai. People, food, opportunity, standard of living, and location make Chennai a great place to live as far as I am concerned. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video.